Hey guys, good morning! Good morning Philippines! Good morning province girl! Oh, nandito na naman. I'm here, I'm back. And I miss you guys. Who keep asking me how I am? I'm good. I'm still alive. And look our garden, guys. So well, anyway, this is just a very quick update and very fast. And here in our province, we have a typhoon coming, but hopefully that's not really bad. But we are already ready. We already bought a rope because we are going to tie up our roof. So thank you so much, Lord God, for all the blessing that you've given to us. And again, I stopped shouting out the sponsor here in our YouTube because some other people, they are not happy to me. So that's it, guys. But thank you again. Thank you. Good morning. Let's have coffee. And keep on watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. Province girl, tiny and simple. So, yeah. That's it. Ang banhaan, ang noisy. Look at my voice, guys. Actually, I'm not really fine. I still have a bit, sometimes I have cough. And look at that! More butterflies. Oh wow. So well, anyway, I'm gonna having coffee in my garden. Ah, 3 sticks of coffee. Give me thumbs up. Ingat, amping, take care. Mwah.